Welcome to the Daily Market News for April 10th, 2019. This is James with Elliott Wave Forecast.com. Let's look at how the markets fared today and what's on tap for tomorrow's economic calendar. The broader Asian markets were mixed, with the Shanghai Composite closing up 7 basis points, the Hang Seng down 13 basis points, the Kospi closed up positive 49 basis points, the Nikkei down just over 0.5%, and Australia's ASX 200 up a mere 3 basis points. European markets were mostly up across the continent as DAX gained 47 basis points on yesterday, EURUSD settled up 26 basis points, the FTSE down a mere 5 basis points, and the CAC up 0.25%. The U.S. markets closed green across the board, with the NASDAQ up 70 basis points, the Russell 2000 index gaining the most in the U.S. markets today after losing the most yesterday, with a 1.34% positive close. The S&P 500 was up 36 basis points, and the Dow Jones Industrial up barely with 2 basis point gain. Energy came back to its uptrend today, with oil closing positive by 78 basis points, Brent up a full 1.5%, and natural gas unchanged on the day. This morning's ECB rate decision was initially negative for the euro versus the dollar, but the New York session failed to keep those US dollar gains, and the euro USD closed out the day pretty much flat. Looking at a chart of the SPX here, the financial mass media attributed the late session surge to the Fed's March meeting minutes and the consensus view that the interest rates will not be changed the rest of the year. The economic calendar for Thursday, April 11th is relatively light, with the only highly important release being the Chinese CPI data for March year-over-year comp at 1:30 GMT. Always of interest is the weekly jobless claim scheduled out at 12:30 GMT. The rest of the calendar is pretty much uneventful, with a bit of Fed speak scattered throughout the rest of the day. Thank you for joining me for today's market news. We look forward to the rest of the trading week here at Elliott Wave Forecast.com. Come check out how our unique technical analysis can help you stay ahead of the news and 78 different financial instruments as you navigate the market expectations. Also offering a free trial subscription of any one of our groups.